So you might be in a situation where for some reason your videos are not playing on your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, whether it's your actual, application, whether it's like your Photos app, or it's another app like YouTube or something. There's a couple things I'd recommend doing. First of all, if you're playing a video from your particular iPhone, photo app library, the first thing I recommend doing is making sure that that photo is actually downloaded onto your phone. Sometimes you may be seeing some iCloud photos or iCloud videos, and there can be some issues where sometimes those aren't fully downloaded, especially if you're not on internet. So that might be something you may want to consider, is to go through and essentially, what even is this little pop-up at the bottom? Essentially what you're going to want to do is to just go through and just make sure you have an internet connection or a cell connection of some sort, and you've downloaded those iCloud videos. Because if you haven't, that could be one reason why you're running into this type of problem. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is trying to see if for some reason that video is being interrupted by some sort of like phone call, or your particular headphones not working or something like that. If there's like glitches, or if you're clicking pause or the video is not playing there either, that could be another problem that's going on too, and you might want to go ahead and address that too. Another thing you may want to try doing is restarting your iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to hold down the side button and the power up button at the exact same time, and all you're going to want to do is basically slide to power off. This is another thing you can try doing as well, and probably for a lot of people, that's probably going to end up fixing it. And if that's still not working, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and get into your settings application into your iPhone right here. You want to click into your general settings, which is right here, tap into software update, and all you're going to want to do is basically update your iPhone. This is another thing you can do as well, because that might end up fixing the problem too, especially if you're going through and if you have some sort of new, situations, if you have a new update or whatever, you can go and update your phone, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.